Hey everyone, welcome again to this channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Without wasting much time, let's dive straight into our use case, which is mega menu topic page automation on ESC portal. So, let me explain our requirement first. According to our requirement, we have to make the automation for all the topic which is included in the mega menu should be instantly visible on the ESC portal. Mega menu contains either newly created catalog or published catalog knowledge article or the quick link. But we are going to do for newly created catalog item which is active and the published knowledge article automation. Okay. As soon as we create, as soon as we create our catalog item and it is in active state, so instantly that item should be available inside the mega menu. Let me first show you where is the mega menu and how we will find on the ESC portal. So this is our ESC portal. Okay, and here technology service, this is a taxonomy. Inside this taxonomy, all these are called mega menus: hardware, software, network, privacy and security, IT for IT developer services. Okay, and each mega menu has their child topics. This is main topics, parent topics, and inside this parent topics we have several child topics: computer, printer, accessories, phones, etc. Okay, and like technology service we have one, so the same taxonomy you can also create, which will be appear here just after the technology service, and you can give them order or you can make the order, you can change the order. Like if you have created something like test services or something which you want to appear first and then technology service, you can do that as well using the order things. So let's first move to the taxonomy, how we are going to create. And so here you have seen this is technology, this is the taxonomy, and inside this taxonomy we have parent topic, that is hardware, software, network, privacy and security. These are the parent topics, and inside each hardware, each parent topic we have several child topics. Okay, so, and one more important thing, if see, the privacy and security may have several child topics, and same for IT and developer service, but those are not visible. The reason may be due to the content unavailability. um, Hardware have computer, and computer must have some content inside it, either the knowledge article or the catalog item. That's why it is visible. If there is no content, then it won't be visible here. So moving back to the navigation homepage. Okay, here let me search taxonomy. Okay, content taxonomies. So if you will open this one, currently only we have one which is associated with our employee center portal. Okay, see, the child topic have technology service and risk compliance, but only visible is technology service, not the risk compliance. Why? Because first let's see the each one of them. Okay, first let's see topic technology service. See, under the top technology service, we have connected content, 9 items. Okay, that's why it is visible. And there are few child topics: hardware, software. Okay, and in which hardware is visible. So let me show you the hardware one. Hardware have several child topics: computer, printer, and these things. And hardware have child topics, as well as if we will open the computer, So computer is visible, that means computer must have the content. So see, these contents are available. See, in the computer also several connected contents are available. Now let's see which one is not visible is risk and compliance. Okay, so this is the topic risk and compliance which is not visible. Why? Because the connected content have zero content, no content at all. The child topic is also not available. So we will, okay, and the category is also not available. Let me add few categories first. I think we have to be in the correct scope. So now I am in correct scope. Okay, and let's add, which we can add, risk related vendor. I think knowledge, no vendor, which we, security related. I think we can put VPN. Okay, policy, security. Okay, these things we have added. Now check any content is there. Yeah, let me add only VPN, virtual resource, and security access. Okay, so we have added three: security, VPN, policy, and connected content has been added. Two. One is from, let me open this knowledge article. Okay, so security related, and another knowledge article is policy. So policy and security we have. So let me remove from it policy and security. Only VPN have no content. Policy remove, security remove. Okay, so now we have only VPN and for VPN we don't have any content. Okay, so now here we have two options. One is add remove content from category, and another is check for new content in the categories. So here, this is unconnected category content. Okay, so basically, okay guys, just a minute. So on risk and compliance, we have removed um, the knowledge and catalog categories. Okay, we have only VPN, and VPN have no content, so it's empty. Here we have two UI action. One is add or remove content from categories. Here we can add, and another is to check for new content. Okay, here this is unconnected category content table. The table name is unconnected category content. Okay, once whenever you are creating any catalog or articles, so it will be, yeah, so this is unconnected content category content table. Okay, this page. Now let me back to the risk and compliance. Okay, so now let's just create one VPN related knowledge article. Knowledge base, any one of them. The category should be VPN. Okay, then description, demo, demo, and then nothing. We can save this one. So we have saved this knowledge article. Now let's just check on our risk and compliance whether it is available or not. See that category, knowledge article is not available. Click on check for new content in the category. That is also not visible. Let me first refresh this page. Now check for new content. No content is here. Okay. Now moving back to our navigation page. Here what we need to search. Okay, let me just publish this one. Okay, so we have published this. This is for review. Okay, now it is published. So let me check if it is available now or not. Refresh this page. Now inside check for new content. So no content is available still. So move back to the navigation page. Now we will try to understand the logic behind it, how the item is get connected, and then we will find the solution. So let's understand first the logic. So there is one schedule job which is by default running on weekly basis, starting with surface name unconnected content. So if you will open this one and if you will try to look into its features, run weekly. Okay, so it will run weekly, and once it will run, so it will add all the catalog and knowledge article to the table which we have seen just now, that is unconnected category content table. We will give you the name of each table. Just now we should have to execute now button. Okay, because it will be run weekly, but we need just now to run to add that content which we have created. That's why we have executed. Now let's move back to our risk and compliance page. Here, let me refresh this page. See, now we have one message. There is new content available under associated catalog and knowledge article categories. Okay, and if you will check for the new content in the category by clicking on this UI action, see that VPN is available. Now, if you will check this box, okay, and here is one UI action, that is add content to the topic. So it will be added, and let me just back. So now the connected content has been added. Okay, so these are the process. First of all, first is to execute the schedule job, and then the second is to and the second is to execute the UI action which we have just seen. Okay, now let's understand the logic. So once the this one schedule job will run, then all the contents means the knowledge article which we have created, which is in published state, and the another is the category catalog item. Okay, which we, if we will create, then those are called as content here. And once the schedule job will run, then it will be added to the table, which the name of the table is unconnected category content. Okay, unconnected category content, this name. Okay, and once it is available here, and you have seen there was one UI action, so if you will click over there, then that will be added to connected category content. Then the name of the table will be connected category content. Okay, that we can see here. This is the connected here. If you will open in the new tab, you will m2m connected content, m2m connected content. This is the table name. Okay, now what we have to do is, so you have understand, now we have to do is write a business rule. 3 business rule basically required. Let me share the page. Okay, okay, not here actually. First we need to okay, so let me open maintain knowledge article page. Okay, here click on right click on the header and then configure, and then business rule. Now we are going to create here one business rule to execute the schedule job. job. Okay, click on advanced. After insert, and update, insert we can I think remove, and then workflow changes, to publish state, right? This is our condition. Once this will be happen, then this knowledge article will be, I mean, schedule job will run. And how schedule job will run? Two business rule, one for catalog item table and another for knowledge article, and the application must be in global scope. Okay, and you guys know the condition for the schedule job. Let me open one by one these two schedule job with the application scope should be global. One is in catalog item, another is in knowledge article. Okay, now let me show you the condition for it. So first need to be in global state, global scope. Okay, now we can see this one. The condition for catalog item was just active should be true. It may be during the during the insertion of this catalog item, or to when we are doing the update. So making active is true. Then only it will add it to the unconnected category topic one, that table. Okay, we have seen just now. There was only 5 content right now. Let me create one more. Okay, and this is 1008. Okay, so this is the, sorry, that business rule I was showing you. So this was the condition, and in advance we have the same code for both the table. Okay, we have just created an object for the GlideRecord, and the table is a auto underscore script, and this is the sys of this uh, schedule job, and here we have run the query, and if it return true, then it will execute the schedule job. Okay, so the same thing, and the another is for kb knowledge article, kb knowledge, and there also the advanced condition, advanced script will be same, only the when to run condition change. Workflow is publish state and update, that's fine. So let me move to the, okay, this is business rule for knowledge, kb knowledge. Okay, this is the condition when to run, and the script will be same. Now let's move back to the navigation page, and let's create one before. Okay, so we have there on the compliance, this one risk and compliance topic page, we have I think 5 or 6 content. Okay, right now we have 5 content, and we don't have, let me refresh this page, we don't have that 100081, 10008. We are just going to create it. Okay, so now let me save this form. On saving, it won't be available there, so let's refresh and check. So as you can see, there is no any knowledge article because that is not in published state. So let's make it in published state. Click on publish button. Okay, review, approve. So it is now in published state. So let's see whether so we have now 6 content. Now the next thing is how we will move from here to connect M to M connected content, that table. Okay, and for that, see, now we have only one, the rest are not available. If you will check for new content category, so that is here, and if you will check, let me just check one and add to content, so 10031 will be available. Remove from the table and it is available here. So manually we have to do one by one, or we can select all and then do, but we want these things to be automated. So why not we can create one business rule. When any record inserted here, it will only insert na when knowledge article is in published state or catalog item is in active is equal to true, right? Then only the content will be created here. So when any content created here, any record is created here, so during that insert time we can run the this what is called this UI action. So let me open the UI action. Through configure and then UI action, add content. So this is the content. Okay, let me open this one. Okay, so here we have one line of code that needs to be executed, that is this one. The rest of nothing we require, so just copy this line of code and then move back to the same table and then configure and business rule. Click on business rule. Now we are on the list of business rule. So here we are saying add content. Okay, now advance. After insert, what we can choose, mm, knowledge is not empty or catalog item is not empty, we can mention here. And then after insert, it will check either knowledge is not empty or catalog item is not empty. If that will matches, means knowledge item or the catalog item, then we will just need to run this line of code. Then just save this form. Now you have saved this form. So moving back, we have now 4. So let me just add this to topic content. Now it is blank. Okay, so now this time for the testing purpose we are all set. So let me create one more time new article. Okay, so Okay, this item has been created. Now let's publish it. So in publish state, we need to approve this request, approve it. Like we have approved it, so it must be added. Okay, so it must be added 1009. Okay, so here we don't have anything because it has been already added. Let's move back to the topic page. See, 1009 has been added automatically. Yeah, this is the automation we did using the 3 business rule. Okay, and now we want to see this page on ESC portal. So let's open our ESC portal. See, risk compliance is visible, but let me clear one more thing is like as you have created, then you need to first log out and then log in to check the content, because getting refresh takes some time. Like it may require a re-login actually. So this is risk and compliance, and under this all the articles are here. This is all about how we can automate the topic page under the mega menu. If any content is not available or this topic is not available or taxonomy, then you just need to re-log in and you will find each and everything at their places.